Hi everyone, and welcome to Module 5. Sorry I'm a little late getting this up. I just wanted to quickly remind a few of you to finish the part of your story writing assignment, which is the analysis of the processes. So I think everyone did part 3, which was the reflection, but not everyone is finished with this. You can see some examples that are up there. And you do need to do that because the next thing you'll see in Module 5 is to look at the participants and circumstances. And we're going to end with a complete transitivity analysis of your text that we're going to then do something else with. So it's not too late to go ahead and do that. So please do that if you haven't done that. Okay, let me show you Module 5. And I'll make it, oops, that's Module 6. Module 5 is here, and I'll make it available for you as soon as I finish this video. Okay, continuing to look at ideational meaning through the transitivity elements. So process was last week, and this week is participants and circumstances. That's the new part. And also you're going to do a theory to practice assignment with this one. So that you can start to imagine how this is all going to work in your teaching. Okay, here's the calendar. So the work in the green book that goes with your language investigations packet is the rest of Chapter 2. And then there's a few pages here in Chapter 4 that you're going to, in the TLC, that you're going to look at as well. A new article here, Kettle Muskrat, that is a classroom application of the transitivity system. So that's going to be really useful for your theory to practice assignment. Okay, so here is your theory to practice blog, and I'm going to show you it down here. Okay, so you have two choices with this one. One is to try something out in your classroom. That's here. So choose something that we've studied together in this course. So it could be something to do with genre, stages and phases. It could be anything to do with transitivity, the whole thing, or just a part of it, like processes or participants and circumstances. The Making Wordings video I showed you last week in class was actually an example of this assignment. So again, it's just something small to try out, and then document that you've done it. Either you can do a video, you can do photos, you can however you want to document it, and then do a one-paragraph description reflection on that. That's option 1. Option 2 is you probably noticed in your teaching learning in context, teaching language in context, the TLC book, that they have a lot of have you go activities. Have you go is Australian slang for basically, try something out, or have a go, sorry. It's basically means try something out. So same thing. So this is, you can choose 2 of those activities, which are based on the examples in the text, instead of trying something out in your classroom. So just do whatever you want to do, whatever is convenient, whatever makes sense. Then everyone is going to post them to the same place. So it's going to be a blog here. There's the instructions again. Create a blog entry. And again, your blog entry, depending on what you do, is either going to be some artifacts and a paragraph, or it's going to be your work from this, the TLC right here. Then you're going to get these. The blog is open now. You're going to please post by Tuesday. Let's go back and look at the calendar. There's Module 4. Sorry, it's hard to scroll with. Oh, that's because I haven't made it available yet. Let me show you. Here it is. Okay. Please do your post by Tuesday. And then Wednesday, start giving feedback to your classmates. I think you're really going to be interested in what people are doing, both what in their classroom as well as how they're interpreting the have you go or have a go activities. And then finish commenting by Friday. So your story writing for this week is the participants and circumstances. Do this on the same document you use to analyze the processes. Doesn't mean actually go in and edit the blog, but take that file that you use that you uploaded for your processes, and then add the participants or add the analysis of participants and circumstances on there so that you end up with one whole document that's all analyzed. It's all color-coded. So the participants do red and the circumstances do blue. I'm sorry for those of you that have already used these colors for other things. If you put your processes in red, just leave them as is. As I think you probably did that in highlighting or something. But this is a really, you'll see in the Kettle Muskrat article, this is a really typical way that people are, it's a sort of a standard of how people are using color coding for transitivity. So that's that. Next week is online as well, and I won't see you back till Module 7. Let me know if you have any questions. And I'll continue to be getting you feedback for your other assignments, so you can be looking out for that. Okay, thanks.